Hot news, Babes Wodumo roasted after shouting Mampintsha. Babes Wodumo is facing backlash after a video emerged of her shouting Mampintsha's now famous line, "Khona izingane," during a performance recently. Briefly.co.za reported that people rallied in support after the queen was assaulted by then-boyfriend Mampintsha. The same people have reacted to the latest development with disappointment. The viral line was said by Mampintsha in the video footage that sparked widespread outrage. The line, "Khona izingane," forms part of the lyrics of Mampintsha's latest track, which has also been received with mixed emotions. According to Chiselif, the video was taken at the 47th Avenue Club in Durban. Babes shouted "Khona izingane" in the middle of her performance, and then continued her performance, as if nothing happened. Babes Wodumo and her management have not yet responded to the uproar. However, Mampintsha commented with excited images on the performance.
Yeah.